Here's a reality that hits millions of Americans every year: dental emergencies. You wake up at 2 a.m. with excruciating tooth pain. The dentist isn't available until Monday, and you are facing a choice between expensive emergency room visits or powerful prescription painkillers that come with serious side effects. Americans make over 2 million emergency room visits every year for dental problems, spending billions on emergency dental care. Meanwhile, sitting in most American spice racks is a natural painkiller so effective that dentists have been using its active compound eugenol since the 19th century. I'm talking about cloves, and by the end of today's episode, you will never look at these tiny flower buds the same way again. In fact, you might just save yourself a costly emergency dental visit. It also finds rumored use in spiritual tactics. Did you know that? Across many Asian nations, cloves are burned and their smoke spread throughout homes for protection against negative energy, with cloves tied on strings and hung by doors and windows in southern India. For thousands of years, entire civilizations have considered this humble spice so powerful that it could ward off evil itself. Now, we are not diving into spiritual practices today, that's outside our health focused mission, but it speaks volumes about clove. When cultures across the globe independently discover that a single piece has such profound effects that they attribute almost magical properties to it, maybe we should pay attention to what science has to say about its very real, measurable benefits. So let's begin. Number 5. Dental care. Let's start with the benefit that could literally save you from a dental emergency. Cloves are nature's most powerful oral painkiller and antiseptic. The active compounds in cloves, eugenol, has been shown to have antibacterial, antifungal, antioxidant, and local anesthetic activities. This isn't folk medicine, this is scientific fact. Eugenol has been in use in dentistry since the 19th century and remains a standard component in many dental procedures today. Here's what every American should know. When you have sudden tooth pain, a small piece of whole clove placed directly on the affected tooth can provide immediate pain relief. The eugenol acts as a natural anesthetic, numbing the pain while simultaneously fighting the bacteria causing the infection. This gives you the needed window to contact your dentist for further course of action. Daily use of cloves can actually prevent dental problems. Studies show that clove extract can inhibit tooth decalcification. That's the process that leads to cavities. Think of cloves as preventive dental medicine that costs pennies instead of hundreds of dollars. The antibacterial properties are so powerful that research shows clove oil could be employed as a natural antibacterial agent against karyogenic and periodontopathogen bacteria. That's the scientific way of saying it fights the exact bacteria that causes cavities and gum disease. Number 4. Diabetes control. The second incredible benefit addresses America's diabetes epidemic, and this one might surprise you. Cloves are showing remarkable promise as natural blood sugar regulators. We are talking about over 130 million Americans who could potentially benefit from what I'm about to share. Recent research has shown something remarkable. Eugenol in cloves can help lower blood glucose to safe levels. A 2019 study found that 250 milligrams of polyphenol-rich clove extract taken daily after lunch significantly reduced post-meal blood sugar spikes. But here's what makes this especially relevant for Americans. Our high carbohydrate processed food diet creates constant blood sugar spikes throughout the day. Cloves work by slowing glucose uptake from the intestine, reducing new glucose production in the liver, and boosting glucose consumption by muscle cells. Studies show that 1 to 3 grams of clove per day for a month can help people with type 2 diabetes manage their blood glucose, triglycerides, and cholesterol levels. That's less than a teaspoon of ground cloves, providing benefits that rival expensive diabetes medications. Do note that if you are already on diabetes medications, work with your healthcare provider before adding cloves to your routine, as the combination may cause blood sugar to drop too low. Number 3. Gut healer. From acid reflux to irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease to chronic bloating, Americans are suffering from digestive problems at unprecedented rates. Much of this stems from our processed food diet, chronic stress, and sedentary lifestyle. Cloves have been used in traditional medicine for digestive issues for centuries, and modern science is validating why. Cloves have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe the digestive tract and reduce inflammation throughout the gut. But cloves don't just treat symptoms, they address root causes. The antimicrobial properties help eliminate harmful bacteria in the digestive system while promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. It's like having a natural antibiotic that only targets the bad guys. Research shows that cloves can help with various digestive issues including nausea, bloating, and indigestion. For Americans who regularly experience digestive discomfort after meals, incorporating cloves could provide natural, gentle relief. After heavy meals, chew 2 to 3 whole cloves slowly. The oils released help stimulate digestion and prevent that uncomfortable bloated feeling. Number 2. Liver support. Your liver is working overtime to process the chemicals, additives, alcohol, medications, and environmental toxins that are part of the modern American life. Literally 24/7 from the moment you are born to this time when you are watching our video, our organs never stop functioning. Maybe we should be more considerate towards their care. From air pollution in cities to preservatives in our food, our liver is constantly filtering and detoxifying. Research has shown that a water-soluble polyphenolic extract of clove buds benefits liver function and redox status. In simple terms, cloves help your liver do its job more efficiently while protecting it from damage. For practical liver support, try this. Add a quarter teaspoon of ground cloves to warm water with a squeeze of lemon first thing in the morning. This gentle morning ritual supports liver detoxification and sets the stage for better health throughout the day. Number 1. Inflammation and pain relief. Chronic inflammation underlies virtually every major disease affecting Americans. Heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, autoimmune conditions, and even depression. Our high-stress processed food lifestyle creates a perfect platform for inflammatory conditions. Cloves contain some of the highest levels of antioxidants found in any spice. These antioxidants, led by eugenol, have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce systemic inflammation throughout your body. Drugs like ibuprofen, which millions of Americans take daily, can cause stomach ulcers and liver damage with long-term use. Cloves provide natural anti-inflammatory effects without harmful side effects. Research shows that eugenol may have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it effective for both acute pain relief and long-term inflammation management. The beauty of cloves is that they address both the symptoms and the underlying inflammation, unlike many other over-the-counter pain relievers that only mask symptoms while potentially causing other problems. Now let's talk about how to practically incorporate cloves into your American lifestyle, and trust me, it's easier than you think. You can add a pinch of ground cloves to your morning coffee or tea for blood sugar support and antioxidant benefits. Chew 2 to 3 whole cloves after meals, especially heavy or rich foods. This traditional practice helps with digestion and provides natural breath freshening. For medicinal use, prepare clove tea by simmering 4 to 5 whole cloves in 2 cups of water for 10 to 15 minutes. Whole cloves and ground cloves are available in every American grocery store, usually costing under $2 for a container that will last months. For highest potency, choose whole cloves and grind them yourself when needed. And that's a wrap on episode 9 of Your Healing Kitchen. From dental emergencies to diabetes control, digestive healing to inflammation relief, cloves represent everything this series stands for. Incredible healing power hiding in plain sight in our everyday kitchens. Think about it, we have just explored a spice that can serve as emergency dental care, natural blood sugar control, digestive medicine, liver support, and anti-inflammatory treatment, all for under $2 and available in every American grocery store. If this episode opened your eyes to cloves' incredible potential, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more spice-powered health revelations. Comment below, have you ever used cloves for dental pain or other health issues? Share your healing kitchen experiences with our community. Until then, stay fit, stay sharp, and we will see you in the 10th episode of this series.